Home security systems are getting smarter, more expensive, and unfortunately filled with monthly subscription fees. That's why products like the ANSQUE wireless outdoor security camera system are getting a lot of attention. Today we're reviewing the 4-camera ANSQUE outdoor security kit, which offers solar power, no subscription fees, local storage, 360-degree PTZ control, auto tracking, and 2K color night vision. It promises a fully wireless smart security setup without ongoing monthly costs. But does it actually perform well enough to protect your home? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the cameras look modern and durable. The design feels built for outdoor use, with weather-resistant construction that should handle rain, dust, and changing temperatures. The cameras are completely wireless, which makes installation much easier compared to traditional wired security systems. The included solar panels are a major advantage because they help keep the cameras charged continuously with minimal maintenance. Overall, the system feels clean, modern, and practical for home security setups. One of the biggest selling points is definitely the wire-free installation. Since the cameras are battery-powered and supported by solar charging, you avoid the hassle of running power cables around your property. This makes installation much simpler for backyards, garages, driveways, patios, or areas where wiring would normally be difficult. The company claims up to 365-day battery performance, and while real-world results depend on activity levels and sunlight, the solar support dramatically reduces charging concerns. For homeowners wanting easy installation, this is a huge convenience. The cameras record in 2K resolution, and the image quality looks sharp enough for monitoring people, vehicles, packages, and movement around the property. One standout feature is the color night vision, which provides much more detailed nighttime footage compared to traditional black and white infrared cameras. The cameras also include spotlights that help improve visibility at night while adding an extra layer of deterrence. For everyday home monitoring, the video quality is honestly impressive for this category. One of the most attractive parts of this system is the lack of mandatory subscription fees. Unlike many modern security camera brands that require monthly cloud subscriptions, the ANSQUE system supports local video storage, allowing you to save footage without ongoing costs. For many homeowners, this becomes a huge long-term money saver. You still get app access and smart monitoring features without constantly paying monthly fees. Another feature that makes this system stand out is the 360-degree PTZ functionality, meaning the cameras can pan and tilt remotely to cover wider viewing angles. The auto tracking feature automatically follows moving objects or people when motion is detected, helping improve surveillance coverage. This adds a more advanced smart security feel compared to fixed-position cameras. Being able to control camera movement directly from your phone also gives more flexibility when monitoring your property remotely. The mobile app allows live viewing, playback, notifications, PTZ control, and motion alerts directly from your smartphone. Motion detection notifications work fairly quickly, and the app interface is relatively beginner-friendly. The smart tracking and remote viewing features help make the overall system feel much more modern and convenient. In real-world use, this camera system works well for homeowners, small businesses, garages, driveways, front doors, and backyard monitoring. The wireless setup and solar charging make it especially appealing for people who want easier installation without complicated wiring. For users trying to avoid subscription-heavy security ecosystems, this system offers strong value. Overall, the ANSQUE wireless outdoor security camera system delivers a strong mix of smart security features, convenience, and long-term value. The solar-powered wireless design combined with no monthly subscription fees makes it a very attractive option for homeowners looking for affordable smart security. If you want a flexible and modern outdoor camera system without paying monthly cloud fees, this is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you choose local storage over cloud subscriptions for home security?